Can you believe it? This advanced fighter jet can land like a helicopter. This is the F-35B Lightning II, a special variant of the F-35 that has vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. The secret? A giant Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine plus a lift fan system that can propel this jet straight up into the air. With this technology, the F-35B can operate from small aircraft carriers, even on super short runways. Truly the fighter jet of the future. A jet that can hover like a helicopter, but still packs the power of lightning.